And there's probably some money to be made if you want to stay and dig and, you know, talk the vendors down, but I think it's time to hit some thrift stores.
Yes, let's do it.
Let's do it. Huge sporting goods section. I'm overwhelmed by the sporting goods. $4.98. There's a hole. Yeah, no good. Shucks.
Say 1994 Betty Boot, Hanes, her way, made in the USA.
$6. I mean, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna look it up. It's probably good. That'll fit you, one.
Yeah,
Let's
not
see you
my
styling.
style.
Let's see you styling the
Not my
Betty Boot. Come on. So I just looked up 1994 Betty Boot shirts. These are all t-shirts, but I mean, you can see the comps. I think the sweatshirt's gonna be worth picking up. Good job, Kayla. I'm always looking up soccer jerseys. Orlando Health, brand new, $5.98. There's only 2 listed, only 1 is sold, $39.98. I think I'm gonna give it a shot. Best part is there's actually 2 of them, and this one is brand new with tags as well. So I'm gonna get both of those. I think it'll be worth it, even if I do like 30 instead of 39. Kayla found some lemons. It's got some dirt on it. Flip it over. Does it have the size tag inside?
They marked it as a small, but I don't know.
I don't know. $7. Think that'll wash out?
I have no idea. It looks like
It looks
dirt.
just like dust.
somebody dropped it and stepped on it.
Let's grab it. Not too bad at the city thrift. Spent $26.79. Kayla found the Betty Boot sweatshirt. I think that's the find it. Well, she also found the Lululemon. So I mean, she's killing me right now. But I did find the soccer jerseys. That's not too bad. So I think we're gonna do pretty good on that. Closed, reopen in new locations. Opening date to be announced. Shucks. You must. Got eBay listings posted next to these starting lineup figures. Another one. $8.95 and then charging $4.99. You can buy a car at the Salvation Army. $4,500, 2003 BMW. Excellent condition. Paint is perfect. Can't beat it. Salvation Army was stupid crowded, but we ended up with a Georgia Tech Buzz hat, Kiowa Ocean Course hat, that might be for me, and then this Eagles hat's the 2014 Tour. Paid $2 for all the hats, and this one actually sells for like 25 or 30, so good comps on that. So not a horrible stop, still got something even though there's a ton of people there. You should get a job at Goodwill, and then when you find something good, you can call me and I'll come buy it.
Okay.
What do you think?
And like, people don't know we're married.
Yeah, yeah. What do you think?
Yeah.
All right. Start tomorrow. You want the number off the sign?
Yeah.
So I found this McDonald's backpack, like food playset. I got $3.99 for it. Looked it up. The comps are pretty good. We'll grab that and see what all's in there. Not bad for $4. Hey babe, I got lunch. A little salt and pepper, good to go. No, for real, it was $4. Comps look like they were between like 40 and 70. It's kind of crazy. It depends on how many pieces are in there and how many you actually, like I don't think the corn is McDonald's, but there's definitely, I mean, there's a McDonald's barbecue sauce. Definitely pretty cool, $4. I think it's gonna be pretty good. Hope's Closet, I hope they have something good. Yeah, they're hiring here too. When you quit at Goodwill, you can come over here. So this place is literally right across the street from the ocean and the beach. and you'd expect it to be a little pricey, and it didn't disappoint. 20 bucks for this ratty North Face jacket, but location is everything. I get it. This Disney World Spirit jersey, double XL, 10 bucks. That's not a bad deal. I'll throw some comps on the screen. What's a buy? We are right outside of Jacksonville on the beaches, and this coastal town, the thrift store prices are definitely reflecting it. Everything seems to be pretty high. Like, I just looked at a Canon camera, it was $175. They wanted for it, right? Which was basically more than eBay. But we're gonna keep trying.
Ultimate white and clear tags are 40% off.
Did you say clear tags? Did you say clear tags? How you gonna see them if they're clear? Huh?
Ultimate white and clear tags are 40% off.
I don't get it.
Ultimate white and clear tags are 40% off.
10 bucks? That will work. 789 picture match. I'll take it. That's cool. Pit. Made in USA. Look at condition. Is it white or clear? Maybe it's clear. I can't see it. No, it's blue. I'll grab it anyway. So I got the Adams irons, paid 10 bucks for those, and the Pitt jersey. Everything was like $15, so I guess it was like 5 something. I don't know, they charge tax here. But I think that's going to do it for today, except now we're going to Kayla's like favorite place in the world, I think. If you haven't been, well, we'll just show you. It's pretty cool. Yeah, Buc-ee's. I mean, this place is crazy. Yes, it's a gas station, but they have 911 pumps, so you never have to wait on one. And then the stuff they have inside, just crazy. Need a smoker or a fire pit? They got you covered. Fresh homemade fudge, they got that too. 100 different flavors and kinds of jerky. There you go. Fresh baked goods, they got you covered. Chopped and sliced brisket sandwiches, there you go. Every kind of chip, nut, or snack that you could ever imagine. More beef jerky. Any kind of shirt or stuffed animal you could ever imagine. There you go. The Beaver is everywhere. Summer swimwear. Kayla's got hers. You can get yours too. Home decor. Buc-ee's has got you covered. And there's the real Buc-ee. What is up, YouTube? It is day 3 or 4 or something, I forget, of our epic road trip sourcing adventure. And today is Sunday, so it's going to be kind of a traveling day. Not much open except for Goodwill, so we're definitely going to hit up some Goodwills looking for stuff to sell online, but also we're going to see the sights and explore some new places, so come along. So our first stop, we've been traveling along Florida A1A, and our first stop brings us to this place called Mayport Village, and it's really cool. It's a little fishing and shrimping village, and that's all there is. But it is also right next to the Mayport Naval Base. Yeah. Cool ships out there. But the cool part about this is we're actually going to get on a ferry. This is like the second time we've ever done this. Drive a car on a ferry and go across the St. Johns River. So should be fun. Definitely an experience for us. So traveling down A1A, and we saw a spot in this big Talbot State Park called Boneyard Beach. So it was too cool not to check out. So we're gonna follow this trail and see what that's all about. So this is Boneyard Beach, named that because of all the driftwood that washes up here. Looks like bones. Somebody's enjoying them over there. Definitely a cool spot. I mean, it goes for a long ways down there. Definitely pretty cool. So as promised, we did find a Goodwill. I just don't, you know where we're at?
Fernandina Beach.
Close to Fernandina Beach, so hopefully that's some good stuff. Strata, not a complete set. $6.99. It's hard to turn that down. Hold on. Adams Speedline $6.99. Is it complete? Woods. Got the putter. There's 2 sets in here. Kitchen 7, 8, 9. It's not a complete set. Let's see what I can find. Not a huge pots and pans guy, but this is Revereware, and they only want, just saw it, $6.99 for it. Revereware 10 quart, not bad condition, and comps look pretty good too. There's like more that have sold than have not. One sold for 120, that one sold for 24 with no lid, 40, 39. Might be worth picking up. So I grabbed the golf clubs. There's not a lot of money there. There's actually 2 sets in here in this one, but for $6.99 a piece, I could not pass them up. This slot line putter should sell for 20. It may take a while, but it'll sell. So got those, got the pot, and then these Merrill women's shoes. They look really good, but there's several listed and none have sold. So I'm gonna put them back. They want 10 bucks. You think we can fit that in the car? Put it in your seat. You want to stay here?
We can put it on top of the car.
We can let it on the roof. Is it concrete? No, it's plastic. Fiberglass, yeah. Interesting. No price. So normally I wouldn't pick up a generic PGA visor, but it's in good condition and it's by the Game, which is a pretty popular brand, so I'm gonna grab it. Yo, so I got the golf clubs. Honestly not a huge profit, but I couldn't turn them down for $6.99 a set. Got the pot, got the red PGA hat, and we're definitely filling up the car. We buried our suitcase. Found another Goodwill, and they actually have this place over here called Bit of Blue Goodwill Children's Boutique. They're not open today, or we definitely check it out, but never seen that before. You guys have those where you're from? Leave me a comment down below. See what we can find in here. Somebody went crazy with a Sharpie on these Nikes. Very interesting. Found this thing and I have no idea what it is. I Google lens and everything, but it's heavy, like cast aluminum. Like, these pots are really heavy. Plastic-ish, maybe Bakelite handles, and then like a crockery top. I couldn't find anything, like I said, but for $6.99, that's too cool to leave behind. It does have a little crack in the handle there, but I'm still gonna get it. Is it? Ooh, that's heavy. Might be in there. Sound dock case is heavy. Let's see if it's actually in here. There we go. There's the dock. No power cord, but the case is there. I'm gonna grab it for $5.99. Quick stop, got the Bose in a case. I've never seen a Bose in a case before. It is missing the power cord, but I believe I've got one at home. If not, I don't know, I got it because it's got a case and it's only $6. And then this mysterious thing here, if you guys know what that is, leave me a comment down below. I'm gonna do some research on it, and if I can figure out what it is, I'll let you know. So 3 weeks later, and I still have absolutely no idea what this thing is. Like I said, it's like cast aluminum pots with ceramic lids. Seems to be pretty old, and I've posted it on several Facebook groups. I reached out to my buddy Robert, who's like a cast iron guru, and nobody really had any ideas. So if you've got any ideas or a clue as to what this is, please leave me a comment down below and let me know. I'd love to figure this out. Also, that's going to do it for our epic road trip sourcing adventure. We definitely had fun, made a little money. Thank you guys for coming along. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.